Hello, kids. This is teacher Yumi, and today we will read Kindergarten Dolch sight words. So, are you ready? Let us start. All, all, all. Am, am. Are, are. At, at. Eight, eight, eight. B, b, b. Black, black, black. Brown, brown, brown. Bought, 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 bought. Came. Did, did. Do, do, do. Eat, eat, eat. Four, four. Get, 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 get. Good, 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 good. Have, have, have. He, into, he, into, into. Like, must, must. New, new. No, no. Now. On, on. Hour, hour. Out, out, out. Please, please. Pretty, pretty. Ran, ran. Ride, ride. Saw, saw. Say, she, saw, soon, that, that. There, they, this, two, under, want, was, well, went, what, what, white, white, who, will, with, yes. Okay, let's read it again together. All, am, all, am, are, at, eight, be, black, brown, bought, came, did, do, it, for, get, good, have, he, into, like, must, new, know, now, on, out, please, pretty, ran, ride, so, say, she, so, soon, that, there, they, this, to, under, want, was, well, went, went, what, white, who, will, with, yes. Okay, it's your turn to read now. Good job. Once again, this is teacher Yumi saying thank you and God bless.